solver. In this model, I have used one EV3 brick, two large motors, one medium motor and one ultrasonic sensor. In this model, I have used ultrasonic sensor to detect object and medium motor to move ultrasonic sensor. First, my robot will move forward until ultrasonic sensor will detect any object. My robot will stop, and sensor will move left side and move right side and check the value. If left value is greater than right, it will move left. If right value is greater than left, it will move right. Let's see how it's so.